Last month saw the arrival of the new Nissan Qashqai as a bolder, bigger and better take on Nissan's hugely successful family crossover. And now it's on sale in the UK. All that's on offer for now is the Nissan Qashqai Premiere Edition, just as was the case when the last Qashqai arrived, costing from £29,270 for the manual and £31,790 for the Xtronic Auto or, thanks to better residuals, a competitive £323 and £363 respectively on PCP after a £5k deposit. Standard kit for the Qashqai Premiere Edition includes 12.3-inch digital instruments and 9-inch infotainment, 10.8-inch head-up display, wireless phone charging, wireless Apple CarPlay and 4 USB points, with ProPilot with Navi-link available, and LED matrix headlights. Personalization options include two-tone color options with new blue, pearl gray and pearl white, getting a black roof and black cars a gray roof, as well as 18-inch alloys, panoramic roof, black cloth inside to go with black dash and center console, and a gray headliner to lighten things a bit. Engine choice doesn't yet include e-power, so you get the 1.3-liter mild hybrid petrol with 138 bhp in the manual and 156 bhp in the Xtronic Auto. Nissan say a limited number of the Qashqai Premiere Edition models are available, with deliveries starting in the summer.